Beth would sort of be very stressed and worried about her assignments and her assessment, and she would always panic and come to me and say, Mum, can you please help me? But she didn't really know what help she needed, and she didn't really know how to even get started. Now there's just this massive change. She knows how to start, she knows what to do, she knows how to take all the steps, and she will come to me at the end and she'll say, Mum, I'm finished. And I think that's just, for us, been, an amazing transformation. It certainly says to me she's learnt so much. She's become very skilled in how to work better, how to be more time efficient. We weren't sure initially with the online process whether it would work. It's worked better than we expected, and it's certainly been like having someone right beside you tutoring as if they were there in real person.
My grades are pretty average. I'd never really gotten many A's before. I was kind of just a C, B person, and now I'm a lot higher and I'm getting A's and I feel really good. I don't have to be so panicked and don't have to spend as much time procrastinating. I can just get in and get it done, and then I can enjoy time at home.
And not only what did happen for her in one subject, it happened for her in 7 of her subjects. Those structures that she put behind all those things started to have multiple flow on effect in all her subject areas. She went from, struggling to get an A to being able to get 7 A's, so it was just this transformation across every single subject almost that has brought, such success for her.
I feel a lot better about myself. It makes me feel a lot prouder, and I feel like I've put a lot more effort in, and I feel like I've worked really hard, and it should be the grades I deserve.
I think for me, it's shown me that just with the effort that she's put in, that it's achievable for anyone to actually be able to do what she's done. Anyone else who sees that this is something that they might be interested in, just give it a go, because the rewards are certainly there to be grabbed, and the opportunities are just amazing. It's something that is not just luck or one-off, or these are ways of working that she can certainly continue to do, because there's a real process and a structure behind the way she works. Anyone can do this, with just those little support, that guidance, that the learning of the strategies, the techniques. It's achievable for anyone.